Another day, another vlog.
Another Iceland vlog.
This one I'm looking forward to trying.
Yes.
Not that I'm not looking forward to any of the time. I'm always looking forward to it.
It's food, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got Iceland takeaway in the from the new section, and it's salt and pepper crunchies.
Oh, the new section.
Well, you know, new from the takeaway section.
Well, the takeaway section, and it's new.
That's what I mean.
Salt and pepper crunchies.
It's hash brown tater tot with red and green peppers, onions, and salt and pepper seasoning.
Sounds nice, doesn't it?
It does sound very nice, that. Yeah. There's only one chilli waiting, so I don't feel afraid. Sometimes salt and pepper chips, when you get that from the chippy, it is quite spicy though, isn't it?
Yeah, but I like it though.
I know you do.
It's nice, isn't it, guys?
It is a bit spicy, isn't it? I just thought this was like a Liverpool thing, but if Iceland are doing it, clearly it's not. What?
No, I'm just laughing at you. You just thought it was a Liverpool thing.
Well, yeah, because salt and
Lots
pepper,
of people in Liverpool.
they like that.
For a long time, I haven't, so maybe that's why you're thinking that.
That's what I'm thinking. You never don't get out.
Yeah. I'm always taking that out.
My leg, since my legs collapsed on me.
Yeah, she still gets out.
Yeah.
So, should we give it a little close up on that in the packet? And then
yeah, there is no traffic
lights, but there's
on the front.
There's other nutritional
information on the back.
We'll show you that. So, there you go. They look nice like that. Whether they look like that. Let's see the back thing, yeah?
When our oven's finished with them.
So, here's the ingredients, guys. I don't see any bold.
No. No, I would have thought there might have been with whatever's in the seasoning.
Maybe, but it's not
not showing up.
Not showing up, so be aware of that, guys. Anybody knows. They're allergic to anything there. And there's the nutritional information. Okay, and as it says there,
cooking instructions.
30 minutes. Right.
Yes, so it is, you decant all that onto a baking tray, single layered, and then you cook for 25 minutes on a fan assisted 190 oven, and then you take it out after 25 minutes and you sprinkle it with the seasoning and then give it a good old mix and put it back in for 5 minutes.
Okay, so we're going to do that, guys.
This is suitable for vegetarians as well, by the way. So,
we'll see you in a minute.
That's good.
Or we'll see you in a minute after we put it in the oven.
Well, yeah. Okay.
Get all that good
You're going to want all that.
Yeah.
Because that just adds to the flavour, doesn't it? Okay, so 25 minutes. Perhaps not. You know.
Well, 20 minutes for us, I think. Well, let's see. Whoa!
Yay! I did it! I said. Oh, my glasses have steamed up.
Okay.
Can't see. Ooh, these smell really nice.
Cheers, don't they?
The only worry is, are they going to be stuck to there? To that? Well, that's not bad. Some might be, some might not.
I think sometimes if you go too well the stuff like that hot, just give them a second.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got to sprinkle this on and mix it well.
We put them on for you can't put them on directly on the tray. Maybe a little bit of oil again.
Yeah. Maybe just do them in the air fryer.
Yeah.
We could have, couldn't we? I suppose.
Just have to separate it because we're going to go small air fryer.
Yeah, if you've got a bigger air fryer, you probably could get away with doing it in your air fryer.
Yeah, cut down the
cooking time and
It's as well.
or palaver.
Nice.
Really lucky.
I was back in for 5.
Yeah, we've got to mix it first.
Okay. Going back in for 5
Shut
minutes.
them up as best I can. And then back in, as Colin said, 5. Oh, I'm not going to do this now. Oh, I did! Oh, I'm putting that lottery on. Okay. Very nice. They smell delicious.
Dish them out.
Aye.
Sit down and try it.
Yeah. Get off. So,
Okay.
they smell really nice.
They do smell nice,
you go
don't they?
first because I have a feeling they're gonna be fiery. Even though it says.
Hang on, let me give you the
it's
close up
just
first.
It's just a one chili rating.
Get me to just dive in.
Sorry.
There you go, guys.
Sorry.
Looks very nice. Smells very nice.
It does.
Now let's see whether it tastes very nice.
Beautifully.
This hotter than what I expected.
Is it fiery? Hot? Yeah. Yeah.
You might find it fiery, it is a little bit. You can feel it on your tongue a bit.
There's water there. Put water in for you. For you. Not me, you're here. You understand.
It's nice, though, I like it.
Do you?
Mm.
Am I liking it?
If you like something a little bit peppery, a bit spicy. It's like peppery, isn't it? Isn't it nice? It's like a nice flavour to it.
It is nice. You can feel a little bit burny.
But I think if you don't like anything like that,
Like I don't really.
you know, you just want mild things, then it's probably not for you. But it says,
Considering it's only a one chili rating,
yeah,
I do think that's quite fiery though, don't you?
I think
There you go.
it's okay. I don't think it's too fiery, girl. You know.
I don't think you've had the bit with a lot of seasoning on. Get that
You mean
one.
like this one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
get that.
I've got a peppers there.
I think what I'd do is I'd probably have the tater tots with a bit of that mixed pepper stuff and onion.
You know what would be nice with that?
What?
Cheese.
Yeah.
Not like an actual cheese.
Nacho cheese. Actually, that's can be a bit fiery sometimes, can't it? But I think I'd just have them without the seasoning on. Take my portion out first, and then put the seasoning on.
It is a bit spicy.
You and George, because George was probably.
I've just had one which has got a lot of the seasoning.
And it is fiery, isn't it?
You can feel
I
it.
can feel my eyelids sweating from that one. Honestly, the glasses are steaming up inside there. I don't want any more.
But yeah.
No, that's too hot for me. That honestly, I know I'm a wuss. What can I say?
So what do you say from a wusser's perspective then?
Well, the idea is brilliant, and I do think it's really nice. And if you love that kind of spiciness, then you're gonna rate that highly. The tater tots themselves, I'm looking for one that's got. Oh no, that's got a lot on. I like.
What's that one like?
The idea of them. Yeah, I don't mind that.
It's not bad.
The tater tots are nice.
Yeah.
I do think they would be better if they were done in the air fryer. They crisp up better.
Yeah.
But what, £2? Sorry, we forgot to tell you they're £2.25 for that portion.
It was $2.75. You
Oh,
said?
sorry, £2.75.
$2.75.
Oh, sorry, yeah. So it's not too bad, I suppose, is it? Because there's plenty there to split between
Yeah.
two people.
Between two years with something.
Yeah. I don't know.
It is a bit spicy though, guys.
It is spicy.
Yeah.
So
You can feel it like
yeah.
afterwards now.
My tongue is raging.
I think it's more spicy than And you go to chippy and get
Well,
salt
no,
and pepper chips.
I think,
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, I think salt and pepper chips is okay from the
But
chippy.
sometimes you get a fiery,
Do you want that water?
yeah. I really don't know what I'd score that because it's salt and pepper business, and
How would you know what I mean? On a
for me
rating of what you-
personally, I wouldn't have that again because it's too hot for me. But I know Colin and George are going to want it again because they like that stuff.
Maybe.
But I'd probably just score that myself. I'd probably score it a 6.
I'd give it a good 8.
I don't think
You know
it's
what I mean?
horrible. I just think it's too hot for me.
Yeah, I'd give it a good 8. It's not bad. I think it's I think there's room for improvement. I think good. I don't know. Rather than it just be spice, it feels a bit like it's just spice.
Not a lot of
hotness.
flavour.
Yeah,
I think
there's a bit of flavour there, but
if you
it's not
taste
lots.
the tater tot on its own
Yeah,
before you
but the
you
problem
put
is
that
you
stuff
don't-
on.
You want it to have flavour and not be overpowered with spice.
Yeah,
I think that's the difference.
yeah. You're probably better off making your own, then,
Excuse
aren't
me.
you?
Oh yeah, but obviously we're testing the product,
Yeah,
aren't
I
we?
know. So would you say, would you recommend or would you not?
Yeah.
Would you tell people to go out and buy it?
If you like spicy stuff, that's not
Then
bad.
It's probably for you.
Um,
Don't be put off if you do like spicy stuff. Don't
If
be
you
put off
don't.
by the 1 rating because it
Well,
is quite spicy.
but it's not great flavour. That's what I mean. There's a bit of flavour there, but it's not. I mean, you go and get salt and pepper
Yeah,
chips from the
it's-
chippy, and the flavours them.
It probably smells,
Aren't they?
yeah. And it's like a juiciness too,
Yeah, like
isn't it?
oil to it and all
Do
the
you
rest
know
of it.
me?
And I think that lacks that.
It does. Do you think the smell is better than the taste?
The smell is better than
Yeah.
the taste, yeah. Because once
you can
you have
smell
the
it
taste,
around the
it's
alcohol, you
more
can-
fiery than it is
Yeah.
flavour.
So,
But I'll give it an 8.
okay. There you go then.
Because it's not bad. It's not.
No, it's not horrible,
I've
it's-
got no
No negative.
no negatives really to say
No.
about it. Just not enough positives.
Yeah. And my thing is that it's just far too hot for me, so I wouldn't have it again. So there you have it.
Right. So nice little vlog, guys, and see you in our Christmas vlog later.
Ah, yes.
Hope you enjoyed this.
Ho, ho, ho.
And don't forget to come back at 5 o'clock and watch our Christmas
Come
vlog.
back. See you
See ya.
later. Take
Bye
care,
for now.
everyone. Bye.